So we finally did it. We're no longer wannabes. We have a 2020 Travato KL. This is the National Park Edition. It's just 4 years old, low miles, had 32,000 miles on it. But now it's time to do some modifications. I'm grateful for the Travato Facebook group, the wannabes, owners and wannabes, and now we're part of that. First thing I want to do is get rid of this REMI. I'm not sure what it's called, but as you can see, it's falling apart, and we want to go ahead and take care of that and get some other kind of shade to put on there. So I'm going to go ahead and videotape this so you can see how to do it, and we'll talk soon. There's the buzzer. Just gonna unplug this and unplug that. And that takes care of the buzz. No more alarm. All right, there's 2 screws right here. So there's 2 wires, one on each side. Just gotta cut it off. And here's the second one. I went ahead and labeled it REMI Shade. Since this wire is just gonna be sitting in here with the 2 adapters, I just wanted to make sure anybody ever has to do it or I have to do it, it's right there. Put it back the same way we took it off. So we replaced the REMI shade, I'm not sure what it's called, but we took the REMI shade off and we replaced them with the VanMade Gear shade. We just bought this one right now. We still have the 2 factory ones for the doors. Eventually would like to go and replace those. These are insulated and do the back windows too, but this is what we have now. you go. Nicely insulated.